Hello dear friends around there. This is Pastor Joseph Tumwebaze who is communicating to you over this Philip camera, and greetings to you at the same time, wishing you the happy Easter. Here it has been good and we have been enjoying it. Back at the project report, we really appreciate you people who recently sent us some good money, and we appreciate you so much. Thank you so much, Auntie Rachel Reng, for the donation that you sent. Actually, you've been sending it often, and thank you so much, Auntie Jamie, and your husband Sean. We miss you so much. We thank you for your contribution towards our orphanage school project. We thank you so much, our friends Kovacs and Linda, who have just met, and we appreciate your recent donation, which was so powerful. And I want to appreciate a member whose donation was anonymous. We didn't know the name, but we received your donation. We thank you people who are praying for us, who are donating your money, and we have used your donation to cover salaries of teachers for 2 months. That is for Feb and March. All teachers were covered. They are happy, they are teaching well, and children are fine. I want to appreciate our champions who are championing our work. Thank you, Kevin Hussein, and other good friends. We appreciate your work. We want to appreciate those who are opening our web, reading and commenting. We thank you really so much. We are looking forward for seeing you all visiting the project, chatting with the children, and seeing the place. Thank you for supporting my work. Thank you for supporting our community of Kamuli. May good Lord richly bless you so much. Goodbye.